On the move.
Look out.
Spear. Whoa. My God.
Good grief.
Roman Reigns, simply ferocious, puts down Buddy Murphy.
Here is your winner, Roman Reigns!
You see that nod by Roman Reigns. He learned exactly who Buddy Murphy is tonight. The secret's out, ladies and gentlemen.
Roman Reigns brought the best out of Buddy Murphy.
And vice versa, Buddy Murphy took the big dog to the absolute limit.
But it would be this that ended it. Buddy Murphy, watch this. Boom, this spear ended it. I cannot believe the impact behind this spear.
Buddy Murphy's a real force. This Roman Reigns turning Buddy Murphy inside out.
Giving up some size here tonight to the big dog.
Here's spear.
Buddy Murphy, you're already dealing with Roman Reigns.
Game-ending spear, the
now
big dog reigns supreme.
Charge Roman Reigns in this match.
Perhaps no one in the WWE universe knows quite as well as Roman what Buddy Murphy's all about.
What a right! But
Can't discount the fact that a few moments ago, Daniel Bryan and Rowan
out of Buddy Murphy,
Buddy Murphy flat out a liar.
Oh, and a knee strike right on his back. There's the cover to put away Roman. This is a great strategy by Murphy here early on here in this matchup, and Roman Reigns, how's he feeling?
Watch the precision and boom, and the impact. The knee of Buddy Murphy nearly taking the big dog's head off.
Wisely, Buddy Murphy, being the aggressor, understands you cannot give Roman Reigns an inch to respond here.
Roman said hit first into the barricade, that punch right on the cheek of Reigns. Oh, man.
And you have to imagine if Buddy Murphy was in fact forced to lie in the heat of the moment at the hands of Roman Reigns, Buddy Murphy's probably embarrassed. He's probably humiliated. He's probably very angry at Roman Reigns.
But at the same time, maybe he's...
Watch out.
Oh, face first into the desk.
I mean, to have somebody question your honesty, to declare you a liar.
Oh, what a right by Reigns.
That is one of the ultimate insults. Buddy Murphy could be incensed right now.
Yeah, but think about this.
Oh, my God. Get out of here. Oh, Buddy Murphy.
My gosh. Just manhandled Buddy